Hi everyone, this is Rebecca from ChemKnits, and I wanted to quickly recap the sock blanks that we unraveled at the end of 2017. Right now I will show you what the sock blank looked like just before we unraveled it. We rolled and folded this sock blank up and then submerged the dry blank into some Wilton's Violet food coloring to let the colors break. And when we unraveled our blank, this is what we got. We could have this gradient of purple specks on a pale blue field where the amount of purple specks gets more concentrated as we go from one end to the other. The breaking is overall pretty subtle on this yarn. You see a lot of pale blue and some more intense bright blue. And then we've got some pinker purples like over here, and then more blue purples kind of throughout this yarn. I did use a lot of food coloring when I was dyeing it. The best part of using these two-stranded commercial sock blanks is that in whatever random pattern we dye the yarn, we now have two identical 50-gram skeins of yarn that can turn into identical pairs of socks or mittens, or you can use to make a symmetrical shawl or scarf or even hat. You have something that can either be perfectly identical or symmetrical now. And so that's just really, really fun because these areas with micro breaking and stuff will match up on both of these skeins. Thank you so much for watching these live streams. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what this yarn turned into as much as I do. I had so much fun with the sock blank special, and I hope that I can do another week of sock blank special episodes sometime before the winter ends. Make sure you subscribe to the ChemKnits Tutorials YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you for watching.